Hi guys, I just filmed this pop boat, played the video back and realised I didn't have the wireless microphone switched on, so I'm starting it again. It's another one of my stock of pop boats. As you can see, this one's very rough and ready. It's a drinks can, and the boiler itself is made from a drinks can, folded up and sealed using silicone sealant. Sort of stuff you might put round baths or something like that. Although I think that one was, whatever the word is, it can take heat. But that must be a couple of years old at least. And that sealant is still holding well. What has given way was the hot glue I used to actually seal the pipes going through the can. So there is actually water leaking in where the pipes go through. And we're just running that on tea lights rather than that little alcohol burner I've been using on some of the other pop boats. It was actually popping quite loudly for the first video, but I think I've changed the amount of water in there, so it's probably not hitting the right spot at the moment. I put the water in the bath to test the Clockwork submarine, which worked absolutely fine. Oh, and a Clockwork boat. Oh, focus, come on. Might just try changing the position of that boiler, not boiler, the tea light. It might be heating the wrong location at the moment, too low down. Oh, I think it's moving in the water. That's you can see the water in there. That's coming through the pipes, but through the holes where the pipes go through. Yeah, I'll see if I can move that. That's better. For a while. I hope the microphone's recording this time. Upside down. Yeah, there's a lot of water leaking in there now. I I don't know why I didn't seal the pipes going through the can with the same stuff that I sealed the boiler. Yeah, the tea light slipped forward, so it's not heating it in the right place. It's heating it too far forwards. It's nearly half full of water now. Yeah, tea lights floating in the water inside and going out of alignment for getting the best boil. I think that'll do. I think we've overdone it. Yeah, half full of water. That'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.